Hello everybody. I'll discuss about the Heron's formula. So first of all, we will discuss about the area. But before this one only, we will discuss about the shapes, then perimeter, then area. First of all, I am taking the shapes. There may be the different types of the shapes may be there. Suppose this is there. This shape may be there. This is also one of the shape, and another shape we are taking this one. So if we talk about the shape is there, the shape may be like triangle may be there, maybe the quadrilateral, triangle, and here is the triangle. See now. Now if we talk about the perimeter, what is perimeter? Perimeter means the sum of this one, sum of all these sides, means the boundary. If you are going to do the sum of this one, if you do the sum, you will get, suppose for example you are taking this is A, B, C and this is D we are taking. So your perimeter will be equal to sum of all these. That will be A plus B plus C plus D. So perimeter means the sum of the boundary. So this is the boundary you are taking, then you are getting the perimeter of that given figure. That may be the quadrilateral or triangle, whatever it is there only. So perimeter. But we are giving the more emphasis on the area. What is area? So area of a plane figure is a measure of region enclosed by it. What will be the area of this figure? The region which is enclosed by this one. This is the area of this triangle. This is the area of this figure. Means four-sided closed figure. The quadrilateral you can say this is the area which is enclosed by this one. So this is the region. That is the area of this one. If we talk about the area of this one, this is the area of this. Like similarly, you can take here. This is the area of this figure. Like that is there. Or figure maybe. If we talk about the areas there, if we talk about the area of this one, then the region which is enclosed by these boundaries, that is the areas there. So area is nothing. That is the measure of region enclosed by it. That is area is there. Here we will talk about the area of a triangle and area of a quadrilateral. I'll take this part. Later on I will take this one. Right now we are going to give the emphasis on area of a triangle. How can you find out the area of a triangle? तो हम किसी triangle का area कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? That we will discuss. So there are the two different ways there. By using the altitude, you can find the area of a triangle, and another is the Heron's formula is there. See. So look at here now. One by one we are taking. See. If the area of a triangle by altitude means any triangle is given. For instance, suppose this is your triangle ABC, and here is the perpendicular. This is the altitude is given. You can see AM is the perpendicular on this one. That you can see the H. So the general formula, area of a triangle is equal to 1 over 2 into base into, you can say the altitude, but instead of the altitude you are supposed to say the corresponding altitude. Corresponding altitude. You are supposed to say the corresponding altitude. Means, it means what? The base you are taking. I am taking here is the BC as a base, and the perpendicular is falling on that base BC. So here it will be 1 over 2 into BC into AM. This is. Means we are taking as a base BC, and altitude must be fall on that base is there. See, you cannot say the area of triangle is equal to area of triangle, this ABC you can say is not equal to 1 over 2 AM AC into AM. This is not the area of the triangle. It will not give you the area of the triangle because the base we are taking as a AC we are taking as a base, but the perpendicular is not falling on this base. जिसको हम base ले रहे हैं, perpendicular उस पर fall नहीं हो रहा है. तो that's why instead of to say the 1 over 2 base into altitude, you are supposed to say the 1 over 2 base into corresponding altitude. So corresponding altitude if you are saying means जिस side को हम base ले रहे हैं, perpendicular उसी पर fall होगा. So you cannot say 1 over 2 AC into AM. Here, उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? You are supposed to draw the perpendicular from here. You must know this perpendicular like N. Then you can say Then this is equal to 1 by 2 into base AC into perpendicular is BN. Now by using this one only you can find out the area of the triangle. So if you know the altitude, and the base, you can find the area of a triangle. But sometimes the altitude is not given, only the sides are given. Then how can you find out the area of a triangle? So that is we will introduce the Heron's formula. So look at here now. I am taking one triangle whose sides are given, but the altitude is not given, is there only. For instance, suppose I am taking this triangle, एक मैं triangle ले रहा हूँ. This is A, B, C. That this side is A, this is B, and C is there. Now here is only the sides are given. Altitude is not given. In that case, you are supposed to apply the Heron's formula. What the Heron's formula says? You are supposed to, the area of a triangle according to the Heron's formula, that is equal to, formula is S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Where this A, B, C, ये क्या है? A, B, C क्या है? These are the sides of this triangle. What is S? S is the, you can say, the semi-perimeter. That is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So this S is nothing else, that is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. So if you know the sides, you know the side A, B, C, the sides are given, and you want to find out the area of this triangle. In that case, you have to calculate the S first, add all these three sides, divided by 2, you will get S, and then you are supposed to put the value of in this formula. S under root, keep inside the radical sign, S into S minus A plus S minus B into S minus C. By using this formula, you can find out the area of a triangle. Have a look. Yes, now one problem I am taking. This is a triangle, PQR is given. The sides of triangle PQR is, this is your 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm, and this is your 90-degree angle is already given. So both the formulas we will apply by altitude, and the Heron's formula is there. See, so case first I am taking, in case by altitude, because the altitude is already given, is here only. By altitude, if we are going to find the area of this one, so that will be, area will be equal to, area of triangle PQR will be equal to 1 over 2 into base into corresponding altitude. So here is, suppose you are taking QR as a base, then PQ will work as a perpendicular because they are on 90. If you are taking PQ as a base, then QR will work as a perpendicular, that is altitude you can say. So if we apply this one, so 1 over 2, I am taking this QR as a base, that is 4, and altitude will be 3. So you will get 2 to the 4, so this is your 6 centimeter square. So you are getting the area of the triangle, area of this triangle PQR by this one, because the altitude is given. Altitude is given is here only. So you can find out the area of this triangle by using this first one. Suppose, forget this altitude, we don't know whether this is 90. It is not given, suppose. No doubt, with these sides, the triangle definitely will be the right angle triangle. That we will understand later on. So let this triangle is given. So in that case, if you want to apply the Heron's formula, see. So for the own convenience, you can take any one of the side is A, any side is B, any side is C. It's up to you only. So according to the Heron's formula, you have to calculate the S first. S means that is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter कैसे आएगा? Add these sides and divide by 2. So you must calculate S first. That is A plus B plus C by 2. So what is your S? A is 5, B we have taken 4 plus 3 over 2. So this is 12 over 2 is equal to 6 centimeters. So your perimeter is 6. Now you can apply this formula. You must get the same answer is here. Same answer. So now the area will be equal to, this is, direct I am doing S. This is your S. So S minus A, 5 into S minus B S minus B, that is 4. S minus C is 3. So if we calculate this one, under root 6, 6 minus 5 is 1, 6 minus 4 is 2, into 6 minus 3 is 3 is here. You can do the factor inside this one. So 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into 1 into 2 into 3. So you are supposed to take out 1 2 from here and 1 3, and from this one 1 will come out, so you are getting what, 6 centimeter square. So if you are going to apply, here is the Heron's formula, or the, in case if the altitude is, you know the altitude, then you can apply this one only. You can apply this one if you know the altitude is there. Otherwise you can apply the Heron's formula is there. Any one of the method you are going to apply, ultimately area will be the same. It cannot be changed. Have a look. Okay, now the equilateral triangle we are taking, and with the help of the Heron's formula we will try to find out the area of an equilateral triangle. In case if we talk about the equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. Let's suppose ABC you are taking a triangle, all the sides are equal. This is A centimeter, this is also the A, this is also the A. And formula is already, we know that area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into A square. This is the formula of equilateral triangle. But we will try to get this formula by using the Heron's formula is there. See, how can you? For the own convenience, you can, let us suppose this is your capital A, this is, you can take the B, or instead of this one you can take, let's suppose X, this is your Y, and you can take, this is Z. For the own convenience you can take. So according to the Heron's formula, you are supposed to calculate the S first. So S will be equal to what? X plus Y plus Z over 2, semi-perimeter. But X is also A, Y is also A, Z is also A. So A plus A by 2. So what we will get is here 3A by 2. This is your, what is? This is your S. Now just apply the Heron's formula. So area of a triangle, that is equal to under root S minus A, that is, we assume X, S minus Y, S minus Z. So here is what? S is your 3A by 2. This is your S. Now S minus X. X minus X is what? A. So you are supposed to subtract A from 3A by 2. So यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? 3A by 2 minus A. Similarly, in case of Y is also A. So 3A by 2 minus A. 3A by 2 minus A. See, look at here. What you will get? Here is under root. This is 3A by 2. And this is, you can put 1 is here. You can take the LCM as 2. So you will get 3A minus 2A. Similarly, here is 3A minus 2A over 2. And here is 3A minus 2A over 2. You will get. You can take the LCM is here. Here you can take the LCM, you will get this one. So finally you are getting here is under root 3A by 2 into, this is A by 2 into, this is also A by 2 into A by 2. So look at here, for the own convenience we can write down this one is, हम इसको कैसे ले सकते हैं? 3 into A by 2 can be written as 3 into A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2. So you can make the group is here. You can take the square root of here. So from 1 by A by 2 will come out from here. A by 2 1. And 1 A by 2 you will get from here. A by 2. And this 3 will remain inside the radical sign. ये क्या होगा? अंडर के अंदर रहेगा क्योंकि ये अकेला है. So this is root 3. So what you will get? This can be written as root 3 over 2 into 4. So you can write down root 3 by 4 into A square. So finally what you are getting the area? Area is nothing else, that is root 3 by 4 into A square, or for the old convenience you can write down root 3 over 4 into side square. This is, look at here now. So have a look. Yes, now we are taking an isosceles triangle, means two equal sides are given. This is B and B, and the base we are taking as a. Then by the Heron's formula we will try to find out the area of this one. So area of this triangle will come A over 4 under 4B square minus A square, where this A is the base. Look at here now, this is your base and this B is the equal side is there only. See, simple. For the own convenience you can take this is X, this is Y, and this is your Z. So your S will be equal to, direct I am doing A plus B plus C by 2. This one. You have to apply the Heron's. So area will be equal to under root S. This is A plus B plus C by 2 into S A plus B plus C by 2 minus X, that is A. Similarly here A plus B plus C by 2 minus B, Y means B here, and A plus B plus C by 2 minus, this is also B is there, like this one. So look at here now, this can be written as under root A plus B plus C by 2 as it is. Here you can put the 1 is here and then subtract here. So what you will get is here only A plus B plus C minus 2A over 2. So that is B plus C minus A over 2 here. Here you will do, here you will get what? A plus C minus B over 2 into here is A plus C minus B over 2. This is you are getting. See, your formula is ultimately we are getting in terms of this one. Not C is there. It's this is B. This is B is there, and this is B. Because C is already the B is there. This is B. Here is B. So this is B. So this is a correction you can do here only. So here you will get, this is 2B minus this one. Here is the A plus B over 2. That is, this is A plus B over 2. Or you can write down A plus 2B over 2. So this is your, also the B is here. Now here you will get A plus 2B minus 2A. So that is 2B minus A. Here you will get, this is A by 2. Here you will get A by 2 because you will put 1 is here only. So you will get minus 2B, and this plus 2B and minus 2B cancel. Here is also you will get A by 2. Because this C which we are taking, that is the B itself only, because two sides are equal. So here is you are getting, this is your under root. This is A plus 2B over 2. That is, you can say 2B plus A over 2. And this is 2B minus A over 2. And this is A by 2 into A by 2. Here is, you have to take 1 is here only, then you will take the LCM. So you will get A by 2 is here, A by 2 is here. See, you can make the pair. So here you will get A by 2, and from here on, here only, this will remain inside the radical sign, but these two, this 1, 2, you can take out from here. So from here you will get what? A by 2 into 1 by 2 from these two, and inside the radical sign it will remain 2B plus A and 2B minus A. So this is A into 1, so A over 2 into 2, 4. So this is your A by 4 under root. This is A plus B into A minus B. So A square minus B square you can do. So you will get 2B whole square minus A. So finally you are getting A over 4 inside the radical sign, 4B square minus A square. So this is your formula is there only. So if you know the base whose is given A and the two equal side is B, then A by 4 means base A by 4 and inside the radical sign 4 into equal side जो है ना उसका 4 times B square का 4 times minus this A square. Have a look. Okay, now one problem we are taking, and then we will try to find out the area of this triangle by the Heron's formula because the sides are given. Later on, I'll discuss the shortcut of this one. Within few seconds, you can find the area of this one. Within a second, we can find the area of this triangle. First, we are going to discuss the Heron's. So this is letter. You can suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. As usual, we will apply the Heron's formula is there. So you will get S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is 10 plus 12 plus 8 by 2. So this is equal to 22, 80, 30 over 2, that is 50. Now Heron's formula you will apply. Area is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here is under root S is 15, 15 minus A is 10, 15 minus B is 12, 15 minus 8. So this is equal to simply 15 minus 10 is 5, 15 minus 12 is, that is 3, and this is 7. You can do the factor of this one. So this can be written as 3 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 7, because S is there. So you are getting here 1 5 and 1 3. 3 into 5 root 7. This is equal to 15 root 7 centimeter square. If the unit is given in centimeter, this is in centimeter. So this is the area you are getting by the Heron's formula is there. But the very shortcut is there. Shortcut method is there. Simply you want to find out the area of any triangle. I mean that is an scalar is given. We know the side. We know the side only. The very simple method is there. Just keep inside the radical sign and do 1 by 4. What we will do? 1 by 4 into. Just add these three sides. 10, 12, 8, 30. Into. And add two sides. Subtract third one. So 10 plus 8, 18 minus 12, 6. Similarly, 8 plus 12. Subtract this 10, 20 minus 10, 10 into 12 plus 10, 22 minus 8, 14. Do the factor of this one. So 1 by 4 under root, this is 6 into 5 you can write down, into 6 into this is 2 into 5 into 2 into 7. So you will get 1 more 4, 1 6, 1 5, 1 2, and inside the radical sign 7. So this is 2, 2 3. So you are getting that is 50 root 7 centimeter square. So this is your shortcut is there. What is your shortcut? This is your shortcut method to find the area of this triangle. Because if the question is given find the area, you can do. क्या करना है? तीनों साइड को ऐड करो. यहाँ लिखिए हर दो साइड को ऐड करके तीसरी सब्जेक्ट. हर दो साइड को ऐड करो तीसरी सब्जेक्ट. हर दो साइड को ऐड करो तीसरा सब्जेक्ट. And divide by 4. Solve it, you will get the area. So look at here now. Have a look.